So how to add music for your YouTube long video. So first of all, you need to upload a video with your mobile or PC. I am using my mobile to upload my video. But before that, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe for latest update. I am uploading my video with a test title. You can do it with your PC as well. You see my video is processing, and now at the same time go to your PC and go to Creator Studio, YouTube Studio, then press on content. Now you can see your video. Now press on edit. Now left corner, press on edit, this option, editor, press on OK. Now here you can add audio by pressing plus icon. Now here is that a lot of audios are available here. You can choose any, and you can customize or filter with your modes or duration as well. So once done, press on add, then it will be add with your videos. Now you can volume up or volume down by using this icon. Once done, now your video will be published with audio. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.